First is the energy we consume, or the energy that is consumed to produce the goods that we buy in the supermarket. There, automation and robotics help to reduce or improve the energy efficiency. The second group of issues that manufacturers are facing is the waste that they produce. Every time that there's an error within the process, there's packaging and also product that is wasted. So that's something that we need to eliminate as much as possible. And then the third, especially for manufacturers of consumer goods, is the packaging they use. Plastic packaging, obviously, it is one of the biggest issues worldwide for the environment. It's a lot of pressure. The thing is that when they are trying to migrate to different types of materials, more sustainable materials, they face some troubles implementing those in the current machinery they have in the production lines. So they will need to update, optimize, completely renovate the part in the production line, especially if the machinery or the line is not that flexible. One of the most innovative solutions that we are implementing now in Omron, and I think is very much promising, is having digital watermarks embedded in the systems to make the packaging really circular and put it in the correct stream. That tackles one of the biggest issues, which is the intelligent sorting, because once the container is recycled, the problem is to separate the different materials into the correct recycling stream so you can get more recycled materials that can be converted again in new plastics for more sustainable packaging. Problem there is that we are not recycling enough as consumers. So the other part where automation is working a lot and can help is designing or implementing and making available different type of solutions like automatic vending machines to get the containers recycled and encourage the consumers to do the recycling and proper separating from the beginning once the product is being consumed and the packaging has to be disposed.